The Jamaican athletes have begun arriving in Tottori, Japan for the country's pre-World Championship training camp. Jamaica's team of 32 men and 28 women, along with a 20-member management team, was announced on the weekend.
World champion Antonio Watson, former national record holder in the men's 800 meters Navaski Anderson, and quarter miler Javon Powell are among some of the athletes in Japan for the pre-training camp. Anderson posted their arrival to his social media, and he's expecting the nation's athletes to do well.
Excited. Warm welcome into Japan.
Yes.
We're loving it already. We appreciate it. And we're here to have a great time, win some medals, of course.
Yes.
And just thank you for hosting us.
He will be representing Jamaica at his third World Championships and will be looking to make amends for his disqualification in Budapest in 2023. He made it to the semi-finals in Eugene in 2022. Anderson will represent in the men's 800 meters alongside Tyrese Taylor, who broke his national record, clocking 1 minute 43.74 for bronze at the NACAC Championships last month. Anderson also lowered his personal best of 1 minute 44.40 to 1 minute 44.18 seconds, also at NACAC. Meanwhile, Watson will be one of 3 Jamaicans to go in defense of their respective titles. He signaled a return to form with a season's best 44.89 seconds to win the Invitational men's 400 meters at the Diamond League stop in Brussels. That's his fastest time since 2023. This makes him the joint second fastest Jamaican this season, along with Rasheen McDonald, the national champion. And former national champion Javon Powell, who has a mile relay silver from 2022, is part of the 6-member 4x400 meters relay pool. Also spotted are NACAC discus gold medalist Samantha Hall, NACAC hammer throw silver medalist Nioka Clunis, 2019 World Champs silver medalist Frederick Dakers, 400-meter hurdlers Malik James King, and Cindy Wilson. Organized the training camps for Jamaican track and field teams to previous global events go as far back as the 1984 Olympics in Los Angeles, California. The city of Tottori previously hosted Jamaica's delegations ahead of Osaka, Japan World Championships in 2007, in 2015 ahead of the World Championships in Beijing, China, as well as the Tokyo Olympic and Paralympic Games in 2021. Tottori is the capital and largest city in the Tottori Prefecture. The Tokyo World Athletics Championships will run from September 13 to 21 and can be seen live and exclusive on TVJ, TVJSN, and OneSpotMedia.com with radio coverage on Hits 92 FM. Our coverage starts on September 12. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.